friends, I'm Annie. That's our latest update. The Swift that was crash tested by Latin NCAP was equipped with 2 airbags. As per Latin NCAP, the results are valid for both the hatchback and the sedan. In the crash test, the Swift achieved 15.53% in adult occupant protection, 0% in child occupant protection, 66.07% in pedestrian and vulnerable road users protection, and 6.98% for its safety assistance system. In the crash test, the Swift achieved 15.53% in adult occupant protection, 0% in child occupant protection, 66.07% in pedestrian and vulnerable road users protection, and 6.98% for its safety assistance systems. Our second update is Honda confirms new India-focused SUV. All new SUV expected to be based on the City platform will rival the likes of the Creta and Seltos. With sedans being a traditional Honda strong point in the country, the automaker has been losing market share due to the rapid growth in demand for SUVs. Till July 2021, the share of SUVs went up by as much as 34%. So the pace is accelerating and the biggest hit has been taken by sedans. The sedans percentage share in each segment is decreasing. To that effect, Honda, which has been slow to make its move in the SUV space until now, is finally entering the highly lucrative category. Our third update is Hyundai to unveil hydrogen performance car on September 7. The Korean brand has teased a camouflage hydrogen-powered Hyundai Salon testing on a race circuit with the caption "Hydrogen, it's full on toward a clean future." Although no details have been given, Hyundai has previously said that its N-Performance brand will develop both hydrogen fuel cell and battery electric vehicles in the future. The car seen in the teaser has similarities with the US-only Veloster N, although it appears shorter and has a different design around the rear windows. Hyundai will also unveil new hydrogen products for freight and public transport usage. The teaser shows vehicles that features the HTWO branding, Hyundai's recently established sub-brand that will develop its global fuel cell business. Our fourth update is Maruti Baleno facelift, new interior seen for the first time. The new spy pictures confirm an all-new interior for Maruti Suzuki's i20 rival. The 2022 Baleno will get a completely redesigned dashboard with the AC vents now placed horizontally in a V-shaped pattern and a freestanding infotainment screen taking center stage. The unit looks much bigger than the 7.0-inch Smart Play Studio system and could easily be 8.0-inch or more in size. Our fifth update is Kia Seltos 7-seater spotted with new headlamps and tail lamps. A video of Kia's fourth model for India, the Seltos-based 3-row SUV has surfaced, revealing a few design touches ahead of its launch. But before we head into the details, we decode the SUV's design to prove that this is the Seltos-based 3-row SUV. We can see SUV's A-pillar and the glass area for the front and the middle row occupants is the same as the Seltos. We could also notice a sharp shoulder line flowing from the headlights, a design trait present in the Seltos too. And the upright bonnet is again very reminiscent of the 5-seater SUV. Therefore, Our sixth update is Tata Motors names its upcoming SUV as Punch, following a grand unveil at the Auto Expo 2020 as the HBX concept. Tata Motors is now gearing up to launch the newest addition to its SUV lineup. The company has named the highly anticipated SUV as Punch. It has the Alpha Arc, that is agile, light, flexible, advanced architecture developed under Impact 2.0 design language. And our seventh update is Tata Motors delivers Nexon EV to the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. Tata Motors, India's leading EV manufacturer, has proudly presented India's highest-selling electric vehicle, the Nexon EV, to the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. And that's all for our news today. Stay tuned to our channel, like, share and subscribe.